Okay guys, so this is the Boat Stone 700A, which has the Alexa feature. So you can see the mic sign over here, it has Alexa. So right now this is just the unboxing video, so I'm just showing you what's there in the box and how the speaker actually looks like. So that was the speaker. Let's keep that aside and show you. This is the Alexa guide. So basically you use Alexa through an app, which is Boat's Nirvana, and you can do everything with that app. So I'll tell you everything about that in the review. So let's keep this. So that's the Alexa guide. This is the warranty claim card. Comes with 1 year warranty as usual. Got Jacqueline Fernandez. This is a 3.5mm jack. It comes with one and it has a 3.5mm connector, so you can connect to all the devices. This is a charging cable that comes in. Good quality, I must say. This is the clip which you can attach over here. That comes in with the speaker. And finally we have detail about all the speakers. But yeah, it tells you about the other products. So this is something they added new to the box. This was not there previously. And let me show you the box itself. So this is the box. Nothing below it. And got some details about the speaker. It's quite dirty. So it says loud, IPX6 splash proof, shock resistance, embedded microphone, 2000 mAh battery backup, up to 8 hours of non-stop playback music, and some other social media and other information. On the front side we have the good box. It's a good design, I think, with a coffee and a speaker, and it shows that just tap and ask. The main feature about this speaker is Alexa. To access all the Alexa functionalities on your phone, download the Amazon Alexa app from your Play Store. I don't think you need to download this app, you just need to download the Nirvana app that is made by Boat, and you can access all the features. So yeah, this was it for this video, and the next video will be uploaded next Friday, which will be the review of this speaker. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out that video. And there would be a water test of the speaker, and one Alexa test, and another sound test to tell you about the audio quality of the speaker. If you have any queries about the speaker, you can message me on Instagram. I'll reply to you there, or you can write in the comment section and I'll get back to you there. Thank you for watching. Bye. Peace.